Another one. Greetings, sisters. How you doing? How you doing?
Overwhelmed,
Sister?
tired. I'm so tired.
How about you?
It's been a day.
It sure has.
It's been an experience.
And it's my birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and welcome to Elmina Holocaust Dungeon. Earlier we were at Cape Coast Holocaust Dungeon, and now after going to two back-to-back dungeons,
Yeah.
what is going on in your heart? How do you feel emotionally? What do you feel about? Do you feel anything different as far as from physically being here on the actual sites to actually learn about the history in books, on TV, and then just abroad?
To feel the spirit of the ancestors and to actually physically know what they went through. And even though we've been told that a lot of the things have been revised, and some of the doorways are wide and taller, and there's lighting now, and it was emotional for us, so we can imagine what they went through with no lights, no air, just nothing. So it has been a very emotional journey.
So what you plan on doing for the rest of the day now that you have been through this experience?
Reflexology appointment.
So you're
I
gonna.
do too. I have a massage at
Yes.
6.
We're
So I need to
relaxing.
get there.
We're going to relax and meditate on everything we've experienced today.
Yes, exactly.
All right, excellent. And we're gonna reach around for some more of our exciting tour participant. Some people are in shock right now after this traumatic history, but you would understand if you were here. It's very, traumatic. That's the best words I can put it.
AOL.com. Okay, so Lady K 1040 1040. Get rid of that little whatever that is.
Lady K 1040.
Yes, Lady K. Yep. Thank you.
Greetings, my sister. How are you?
I'm hanging in there.
Yes, you're very outspoken. Do you have anything to say to Revolutionary Cam about your experience of going into Cape Coast Holocaust and Elmina Holocaust dungeons back to back?
I think I said everything and asked everything I wanted to do during the tour, but I'll say this, that we were really blessed today because we had two really excellent guides. They were quite thorough, they conveyed authentic history, they did not give us a whitewashed version of it, and that was very good, so it was well done.
All right, cool, thank you.
Oh, okay. Love Africans. At yahoo.com. Okay, yes. Yes, I got to. Africans and me too. Thank you. Yes. Okay, and do I have your email on here? Okay, great, okay. Are your friends, good friends?
What's that? Yeah. Joshua.
Oh, okay, good. Almost like brothers.
I said take it for 5. No, you keep it, it's for you. Don't worry, it's for you. Don't just read out the shit I made it.
Listen, I don't have room in my bag, man. I got travel here. Sorry, Mr. Boss. I don't have room.